on, guys? Roy Robles here from ZigWheels.Ph, and we are at Clark International Speedway for the 2022 Toyota Vios Cup. We're not just doing a little bit of the driving at the Autocross Challenge. We're also going to ask a few of the participants, the influencers, the racers, on how they feel about this week's festivities.
Hey guys, I'm Lexi Mendiola. I'm a content creator around Manila, and I'm here with Toyota Vios Cup today. This year, honestly, it's finding the zen, it's finding the calm, because last year it was more of like getting things right. Now that I kind of have that in the bag, it's just finding the zen and just doing it, you know? That's the game plan this year. I think if you win it all while you're having fun, that's the biggest victory, right? Do it with a smile.
So we were brief with a few of the things that we should do while driving. So one of the first things that you're doing wrong when you're driving in the Autocross Challenge is that you're going too fast. The reason why you don't want to go too fast or brake too hard is you need to keep the balance of your car as straight as possible. Because if you go too fast, you're actually moving the car forward a little bit, tilting it a little bit forward, and when you're braking, you're doing pretty much the same. You want to keep your car in control at all times as much as possible.
So here we are today with Mr. Manny De Los Reyes, our good friend here at ZigWheels.Ph, and his daughter, Mika De Los Reyes, and she's out here to win it all, I think. Sorry. So, Sir Manny, whose idea was it to let her join the race this year?
Well, it was my idea. Her older brother joined last year and he had fun, he learned a lot, so I said, why not give her a try?
All right. And what did you feel when he gave you the idea to join this year?
At first I was nervous, but then come to think of it, it's really a worthy experience, and I don't know, like, might as well check something in my bucket list to race.
And do you plan to win it all, or are you just here to have fun?
Well, if I could have both, why not? Yeah.
And everything that you've learned here, especially in the Gazoo Racing Academy, in the Vios Cup, the Autocross Challenge, do you find that the skills that you've learned here today is applicable in real life situation, real life driving?
Yes, of course. I can really apply it even today in everyday driving. It will be really a very helpful skill to learn in and out of the course.
One of the most important things when you're racing is you got to keep your gear in check. As you can see right here, we got ourselves the Toyota racing helmet here. It's really amazing and really hard. It's going to keep you safe. And when you're inside the Vios Cup car, you'll actually be sitting in a racing seat. You're keeping yourself as low to the ground as possible and with a multi-point harness. So yeah, that's definitely very important if you want to be serious about racing.
Hey guys, it's Troy Montero here, car number 6 here at the Toyota Vios Festival. Last year in promotional, I got 2nd overall at the end of the season, so I was bumped up. So now I'm racing in sporting class, so it's a whole new class. You always have to be looking for that 1/10 of a second, you know, around each corner, because as the sport goes on, new season, of course we want to get faster, we want to get better. So we always are willing to listen to our coaches, our managers, and of course all the extra practice we can get, we always love it.
Another tip you want to keep in mind while driving is you have to maintain the perfect driving position. I always talk about perfect driving position whenever we do my reviews, but whenever you're doing autocross, you don't have to be lounged back or too much forward. You actually have to keep your arms in an almost 45-degree angle each. Doing and sitting in this position will give you the most beneficial opportunities to operate the steering wheel, thus moving your car along in the perfect riding position.
Hello everyone, ako po si Fabio Ide and I'm racing here sa Gazoo Toyota Racing Vios Cup for the promotional class this year, 2022. Last year was amazing. I had some really good positions in the grid. Unfortunately, like I told you a while ago, I got 5th place overall. I made a few mistakes in certain races. I also got few crashes here and there, so which made me very upset. But I do believe I have the confidence, I have the proper training for me to this year achieve something better. I've been doing quite well during the practices. I've been speaking to the coaches. I've been watching my videos all the time, just trying to improve my time and trying to, you know, get better and faster each practice and each race. This is the first leg of the season. I really hope I can do well. The weather has been like on and off, as you guys can see as well, but I hope this can also help me because during my I've been doing quite well during the takeoffs in the previous season. So even if I'm gonna start now on the 5th position on the grid, I might be able to, you know, do some moves and attack really well in the corners.
So you have to keep in mind the perfect racing line as you go through the different obstacles in the race course. Well, if you're racing the course as well, you must keep yourself aware of the pendulum effect when you're driving. So you must keep yourself as wide out as possible and then clip into the apex as thinly as possible to make sure that you keep within the racing line. Of course, keep in mind you have to keep your car as balanced as possible, so you have to commit to that racing line if you want to get the fastest time.
Hey guys, this is Bianca, also known as Bianca. I'm a gamer and I play video games for a living. Actually, kinakabahan pa rin ako hanggang ngayon kasi hindi ko pa rin nakikita yung result. Pero during the race, sana nagawa ko naman yung best ko and hopefully makapasok sa top 4. Alam naman maraming tao, kala nila pag autocross parang drifting lang and ganun. Pero ano yung matututunan dito? Like yung timing and paano yung maging okay na driver inside dito sa course and sa labas. So yeah, na-enjoy ko naman yung lahat ng natutunan ko so far dito and sobrang dami talaga.
Kung may chance ka na mag-race like 50 laps all day here, sino yung gusto mong kasama mo sa driver seat?
Ganun. Siguro, sasabihin ko sana boyfriend ko kaso wala pa akong boyfriend eh. So, pamilya ko na lang. Family ko na lang. Una. Lahat ng pamilya ko.
The last point I want to share with you guys is have fun. Racing isn't just about competition or being the fastest on the track, but it's about socializing. It's about making new friends here on the track. As you can see with the interviews that I made earlier, we made a lot of great friends, and you are gonna have so much fun as well if you just start opening up.
Hi, I'm Kevin from TheModernCreatures. Well, when I got the invite to participate in all 3 legs, I was really excited since, yeah, before I was only able to participate in 1 leg. But for this one, I'm really looking forward to just soaking it in, see what the motorsports is all about, and really just soak in the vibe of the people because, you know, the energy here is really exciting. Sobra exciting talaga. And that's what I'm looking forward to. And apart from that, if you're asking me about preparations, I started medyo sineryoso yung Gran Turismo, pare. I started playing Gran Turismo again and then just, you know, getting the feel of going through the lines, racing lines and all that. So yeah, I guess that's it. That's my preparation. Well, usually I'm the competitive type, pero for this one, although I will really do my best, but I'm not really gonna be like, you know, getting a toe-to-toe or really pushing it to the limits or something. I'm just here to have fun, but if I do well, why not, right?
Alright, so enough of the practice. We've learned everything we needed to know, the basics of autocross. It's time for us to do our first run.
Wish me luck. Disappointing that I was not able to win this leg of the Vios Cup. I was still able to find the confidence that at least I was able to reach the finals, and it's quite an amazing feeling to know that I have improved from the previous year's Vios Cup. So make sure that you check the description box below to check out all the legs, the next few schedules of the Toyota Vios Cup, and head on over to the Clark International Speedway and cheer for Team ZigWheels.